So hello and welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Saujanya Sane. So guys, with this video I'll be beginning my South Goa series. So in the month of February we went to South Goa for a period of 3 days, and in these 3 days we have covered a few places. In this series I'll be uploading around 3 or 4 videos. The first video of this series is an informative video in which I'll be sharing the details of the service provider from where we got the two-wheelers on rent in South Goa. But before we begin with our main video, if you guys are new to my channel, do make sure that you hit the subscribe button as I upload informative and interesting travel videos on a regular basis. If you are exploring Goa, be it North Goa or be it South Goa, the first thing that you should do is that you should book a two-wheeler on rent. It makes exploring Goa a lot easier. Now, our hotel was located near Madgaon. So the first thing that we did once we checked in our hotel was we went in search of a service provider which will provide us two-wheelers on rent, and we were lucky that the service provider which we got was very much near to Madgaon only. To be very specific, it was near Madgaon station. The name of the service provider was Sebi Bikes, Cars Rental and Taxi Services. You can see the contact details on your screen right now. Now ahead in this video, I'll be sharing a few details which I feel you should know before you're booking any scooters from this particular service provider. These details are going to include the documents which are required, okay? In addition to that, what are the rental charges for this particular services? In addition, I'll be also sharing my own personal experience, and in the end of this video, I'll be also sharing a few precautions which you should take before you're booking any particular vehicle from this particular service provider. Now the document that are required will be any identity proof. Now they will keep this identity proof with them, and obviously they will return it to you once you are giving them their scooters back. So we kept our Aadhaar with them, okay, which was there with them for 2 days, and they gave it back to us properly. Now the second point is the rate, that is the rental charges. The rental charges were very nominal, which is a normal rate which I have seen at almost all the places. It was 300 rupees per day without petrol, which is again a normal practice everywhere. No one gives you petrol with the rentals. With the scooter, so the petrol charges are different, and in addition to that you will have to keep a deposit of rupees 500, which may vary from person to person, but we had to keep a deposit of rupees 500 per vehicle. Now this deposit is a refundable deposit, that is if you are giving the scooters back in the condition in which they were taken, then definitely they will refund it entirely to you. So obviously even we got it back because we gave it in proper condition to them. So that is one more point which you have to consider, that is especially for liquidity purpose, that you have to give a deposit, or you have to keep a deposit with them, which is around 500 per vehicle, okay. Now talking about my experience, I have used this scooter for a period of around 3 days, and I would say that the scooters performed absolutely fine. I would not say it was very good, neither I would say it was very bad. We drove in almost all the terrains, like we drove on very good highways, we drove on curvy roads as well, and in addition to that we did a little bit off-road as well. Now ये off-road कहाँ पे किया था ये मैं आगे बताने वाला हूँ, मतलब in the videos to come ahead I'll be sharing the details of this off-roading trip as well. But yes, the bikes performed okay. I would not say it was way too good or way too bad. There were some minor issues, but I think if you are taking the scooters on rent, it is very much assumed that these minor issues will be there. A few braking issues were there here and there. Rest all thing was absolutely fine. So I would not say that this is a negative point over here, because कहाँ पे भी जाओ, कहाँ पे भी आप स्कूटर रेंट पे लेते हो ना, तो ये issues होते ही है थोड़े से. So I would recommend, it was a very good experience overall for 3 days. So now I'll be talking about a few precautions which you should take while booking any particular two-wheeler on rent. Now this is not something which I have to talk about this particular service provider, that is from where we took it, but in general tips है. तो सबसे पहले चीज़ ये है कि you have to make sure, especially if you are in Goa, that you have to make sure that there is helmet in your scooters, because it is compulsory in Goa. So yes, this guy did provide us the helmet for all the 3 vehicles that we booked, so that was not an issue. But just make sure that you are taking the helmet in your custody, because it is very important, else it will be a huge issue wherever you are going in Goa. So the second thing which you should just be a little bit careful is that before you take the custody of the two-wheeler, just make sure that you check check it. Okay, just see if there is any issue in that particular vehicle. इनफैक्ट ओवर हियर उन्होंने हमें सामने से ही बताया था कि यू जस्ट चेक दैट पर्टिकुलर व्हीकल एंड सी इफ देयर इज एनी इशू ओवर हियर, बिकॉज क्या होता है कभी कभी ऐसे हो सकता है कि लेटर इफ एनी इशू कम्स ना, देन देर माइट बी एन आर्ग्यूमेंट. ओके, ऐसे हुआ नहीं, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू एज अ मैटर ऑफ माई एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, बिकॉज wherever I go, I usually make sure that I am getting a two-wheeler on rent. So just make sure that you check the vehicle properly before you take the custody of it. And if there is any issue, just tell him that ये issue है इसमें, and this was there even before we took the particular vehicle on rent or in our custody. So ये एक precaution है, दो precautions है which you should make sure, especially if you are in Goa. So guys, that's it from me in this particular video. I hope that you guys have liked this particular video. I hope that this video was a value addition for you, especially if you are planning your South Goa trip. So if it was a value addition, do let me know in the comment section below. Also like this video and do subscribe to my channel, because a few more informative videos on South Goa are lined up. They are coming very soon. So guys, until the next video, bye bye.